I've literally tried to do this introduction so many times. I'm just so excited. I'm at a loss of words. I don't even know what to say. What's up everybody, my name is Brandi. Whether this is your first time or you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited for today's video because I've been wanting to do this for quite a while. I just couldn't wait. I literally am still in my work clothes. I'm probably looking a little disheveled right now. My friend Bob right here is here to join us. You can already tell by the title this is going to be my first impressions and unboxing of my first ever FabFitFun box. So here it is in all its glory, my very first FabFitFun box. This is the spring 2019 box. I absolutely love the packaging. So the subscription cost for FabFitFun is only $49.99 once every season. So that's once every 3 months, only 4 times a year. You get several full-size products, and I've been told, and from what I've read online, that there's about $200 to $300 of value. Another thing that I really liked about FabFitFun is when I did sign up, they actually let you choose a few of the items that you're going to receive. So I do know 2 of the items that are in here. Also, I did get a coupon code. I found a code for $10 off. So I thought, what better time than the present to act on it, especially for such a good deal. Let's not wait any longer. Let's go ahead and get this big bad boy open and see what it has to offer inside, and let's get into the unboxing video. Let me figure out how to open this box. Here is what the inside of my box looks like. It says FabFitFun, Spring 2018, a lot of cute cactuses and succulents. So the first thing we have is FabFitFun. I think this comes in every box. It's just a little magazine and looks like this. So right here on the 3rd page it says what's in the box, and it shows that the value could be anywhere from $26.99 to $314, just depending on the selection. It also just has a small description about your items and the cost and a lot of articles, so yeah, that's really cool. First thing that I see in the box, aside from the magazine, I'm really excited about because I've been wanting to try this out for a while, is a $50 HelloFresh gift card. I've heard a lot about these different services. HelloFresh is probably the most popular one, so now I have a chance to finally try it out. That's super awesome. The next thing that I see is this right here. Daily Concepts Individuals Who Think of the Shower Daily Detox Massaging Brush. Ooh, that sounds very nice. Probably really good for exfoliating as well. So pretty excited about that. The next product we have is No More Baggage by Dr. Brandt's eye depuffing gel. I think I did see this in a few of the other unboxing videos, and I was pretty excited to try this out. So again, still off to a good start. So the next item is the Sahi Cosmetics Mystic Primer and Serum. It's really pretty. I, again, love anything to do with skincare, so I'm really excited to try this. I love primers, so I'm going to see how that works. The reason that I was most excited about this is because right here on the back it says that it visibly diminishes the appearance of fine lines and keeps your makeup in place all day. We'll have to try that out. Maybe I'll do a review video where I've tested all the products and just let you know my thoughts of that. If that's something that you would be interested in, you'd like to see me review and try out all these products, then please let me know in the comments below and leave a thumbs up on this video. And don't forget to subscribe so you can catch that video as well. Okay, so sorry, I just have no idea what this is. It has a brand name down here. It says Quay, Australia. I think these are actually the sunglasses that I chose. Yes, so here they are. I'm not sure how I feel about them. I don't know. I like big sunglasses, but sometimes they can be a little weird on my face. I actually feel really comfortable. They're really dark as well. I don't think you can see my eyes. I feel like it would give me really good UV coverage in the sun. We are planning for vacation. I thought these would just be nice to have to lounge on the beach, and I can't really tell. Let me know what you think of these glasses, if you think I could pull them off or are actually pretty cute. I'll have to take a closer look at them later, but I also like that they come in this nifty little bag. So again, so far, so good. Okay, the next item that I have is this. I'm trying to figure out how to say this because I know I'm probably going to butcher it, so if you know, please tell me. After you're done laughing, please forgive me. I'm OUAI, whatever it is, hair care leave-in conditioner, which I am so excited that I received because I honestly have been needing a new leave-in conditioner just because I am almost completely out of mine. Okay, the next thing that I have right here, I think it's a necklace. It says it's by the Two Bandits. It has a little reflective luminescent piece. Now I'm really picky when it comes to necklaces. It just has to be the right length and the right style. It's so awkward sometimes to put on a necklace with nails. Yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about it. I'd have to find the right outfit. Maybe if I pull this down through my little keyhole. I feel like that could be cute. I don't know if you could see it, but this is the necklace. I'm not sure how I feel about it, so you'll definitely have to let me know. This is just catching my eye because it's rose gold, and I know what it is because I saw it in some of the other videos I saw of people unboxing their FabFitFun box. It is this champagne charcoal scrub. It has this pretty rose gold lid. This is a generous amount. This is pretty solid. It's gonna last me a while, and it's really pretty. It's just, I like pretty things. Appreciate the beautiful things in life. Oh, and this was the other item that I chose. Okay. It is this backpack that I chose out. It comes in this bag, so at least I know it's nice and protected. I chose out this bag because I have one backpack, but it's always nice to switch, and I just really liked the color blocking on this. This is a vegan backpack, but it's really nice. It has the buttons right here, so you could kind of cinch it in and make your backpack a lot tighter. It has this flap that just comes down, and you can just pop it right open right there. And then here's the inside. It's still really simple and really cute. I like the black and white. I also like the contrasting materials between the vegan leather and whatever material this is. That was everything that I got in my first FabFitFun box, and overall it was a really good experience, and I'm really excited to try out all these items. It was like a mini Christmas, so I'm definitely looking forward to more FabFitFun boxes in the future, and I will be sure to share with you what I get in each and every one of them. And remember, if you liked what you saw and you'd like to see more videos, then please remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification to let you know when I upload more videos. Until next time, I love you guys, and I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye guys!